Hello there, everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Lisa. We are going to get some cleaning motivation today. We're going to start here in the bedroom. It always feels so good to start the day with your bed freshly made and put together. For some reason, it makes the whole house seem like it's got it going on, which we do not. We are well into December now, and life gets overwhelming. Nothing stops just because it's Christmas and we have shopping and decorating and gift wrapping to do. So we're going to take a minute here and just refresh and reset our home. Do that weekly housekeeping that helps to keep it tidy and neat. I have this dark cherry wood furniture, and it seems like dust just shows up so much on it, so it needs a lot of care and attention. I'm going to play some good music for you. Hopefully you are getting all that cleaning motivation to reset and refresh your own home, whether you do a little or a lot. Progress over perfection is what we're all about here at Uniquely Lisa. Just give yourself a lot of grace and mercy, especially this busy time of year. All right, let's clean, and I will check back in with you here in just a little bit.
Stay on this road, I gotta know what I'm about. Goes up and turns back down. We're all looking for the moment when getting used to not knowing when all the pieces fall in line. Oh, goes up and turns back down. I keep searching for signs in my dreams back then, and I don't know how to stop, 'cause it brings back the feeling that I can't reach the top now. Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Who else out there feels like the clock is just running after them and chasing them lately? Like I said, with Christmas on top of daily life, it just gets overwhelming and busy. That's why I slowed this cleaning video down just a little bit, and we're gonna just kind of take a minute to breathe, but still be productive and get things done. For you that are here watching the first time, I am the stay-at-home wife and mother to 2 older boys. My oldest is in college, so he will be coming home for Christmas break in just like a week and a few days. And so I'm excited for that. My youngest son is a senior in high school, and he gets out on school break in just like 6 school days. So about the same time that my oldest son gets home, and I'm just trying to get as much done and accomplished before that all takes place, so that I can enjoy time with my family, because to me that's what is most important, and I want it to take priority over everything else. So I'm wishing that for you too, that in this time of hustle and bustle, you can take a deep breath and just sit back and enjoy life as well. With all that said though, we still have to do some cleaning and maintain our homes and the spaces that we live in. So let's get back to making some more progress.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever may come. Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore. Like a cool drop of rain coming down from a clear sky. Oh yeah. Like a honeybee taking off that really shouldn't fly. Oh yeah. Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day. It's just amazing. It's a million to one. It really couldn't be. Oh, 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 oh. You're my kind of one of a kind. Oh, oh, oh.
I recently did a dining room makeover on this space and I am just still in love with it. I did not do a whole lot, just some paint and a new rug. Spent minimal amount of money on it, but it just totally transformed the look and feel of this entire room. I will have that linked up in the corner as well as down in the description box so that you can watch that if you haven't had the opportunity to do so yet. I hope that you love it as much as I do. And again, with this dark cherry wood furniture, I absolutely love dark cherry wood furniture and have for years, but dust just glares on it. So it needs just a good wipe over. That's why we're refreshing and resetting our space in today's cleaning motivation video. I hope you are feeling inspired, energized, and ready to go in your own home.
More like you know, ain't gonna be one more like you know, ain't gonna be. I could search high and low, but I know that there ain't gonna be one more like you know. You're my kind of one of a kind. It ain't gonna be.
Very busy time of year. I am so thankful that you each stopped by and watched today. I hope that you found this not only motivating but also relaxing at the same time. I hope that you're able to take a moment, take a deep breath, and just reset, refresh, and recharge not only your home but yourself this week. I appreciate you all so much for taking your precious time and spending it here with me today. I always enjoy seeing you. And it does not go unnoticed when you take the time to not only watch, but also to like, comment, and join the Uniquely Lisa family. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.